Look what we have today. Behind the red door is a red bus. Let's send off our red bus. Bye, red bus. There it went. All right. Now let's open up the green door. The green door had a green bus. Oh, gotta close that door. Okay, let's send off our green bus. Bye. All right, next up, we're going to open up the blue door. In the blue door was a blue bus. Let's send it off. There it went. All right, we have one more door. It's the yellow door. Inside the yellow door was a yellow bus. Let's send it off. Okay, let's close these back up again. Now, when I open them, there's gonna be something else in there. Let's see what it is. Okay, why don't we go ahead and open these doors up and see what's inside? Let's start with the green door. What? It's Chase from Paw Patrol. Check this out too. Oh my goodness. Check that out. He was in the green door, but Chase wears blue. That's funny. Okay, let's open up the next door. How about this one? Let's open up the blue door. Look who's in the blue door. It's Zuma. Hi, Zuma. Zuma is orange. Okay, next up, how about the red door? Oh, look who it is. Whoop. It's Everest. Hi, Everest. Hi, everyone. Everest was in the red door. Now let's open up the yellow door. Look who it was. It's Sky. There's Sky. Look at those fun Paw Patrols. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's put those back in and let's close these up. Whoop. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna open them all up again and let's see if they're different pups. So let's start with the green door. Who was in the green door last time? Was it Chase? Well, let's see who it is this time. No, it turned to rubble. And check that out. Oh my goodness. He's ready to jackhammer. Oh my goodness. We found rubble in the green door. All right, how about the next door? What color should we do next? Let's do yellow. Look who it is. It's Everest. We had Everest last time, but she was in the red door. Now she came out of the yellow door. That's funny. Okay, how about the red door now? Oh my goodness, it's Tracker. Tracker, Jacker. All right, last door is blue. There's Marshall. Cute Marshall in the blue door. Okay, and then let's get a hold of Sky and Chase and Zuma. Okay, I'm going to hide some of these inside these doors, and then we're gonna try guessing who's in who. All right, Let's go from left to right. Who do you think is in the red door? I think it's going to be Zuma. No, it was Marshall. Did you guys guess correctly? Well, Marshall was in the red door, and he's red, so that makes sense. Okay, next up is the green door. Let's say Everest is in the green door. Who do you think is in the green door? Oh, it's Tracker. Tracker was in the green door. And he likes to wear a dark green. Okay, next up, blue door. This one has to be Sky? I hope this one's Sky. Who do you think's in the blue door? Chase! It was Chase in the blue door, and he wears blue. Oh, I'm starting to see the pattern here. So in the yellow door, it must be Rubble then. Let's see, who do you think it is? Oh, it was Rubble, because he wears yellow. See? All of our Paw Patrol match the doors. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, I have hit those Paw Patrol in the doors. Now, can you try guessing who's in which door? Who do you think's in the red door? Let's see. Chase was in the red door. Oh no, he doesn't want to come out. Come on, Chase. Did you guess this right? Did you get Chase? All right, now who do you think is in the green door? It was Zuma. Did you guess Zuma? Let's keep going. Who's in the blue door? Let's find out. It's Everest. Everest was in the blue door. Okay, now who do you think's in the yellow door? Let's find out. It was Sky. How many did you guess correctly? Good job, Paw Patrol. Bye. Say bye to Paw Patrol.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Rubble. And Sky. And Chase. And Marshall. And Ryder. We have all of our fun Paw Patrol with us. Oh my goodness. I got something for you guys because you're all in your cool cars. I have some Play-Doh cutouts. Look at all the different ones I have. Whoa! Whoa! So we're gonna pull out some Play-Doh and make some cool vehicles with you guys. Okay, let's start with Rubble. I got some yellow Play-Doh and it's sparkly for you. And I thought we could use this cool tow truck. So it has a hook on the back, like your bulldozer. It's so it kind of matches yours. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this yellow Play-Doh. We're going to take it out of here. Yeah. And then we're going to smush it up like this. See that? And smash it down. And I brought a nifty little rolling pin. We're going to roll it out. Nice and smooth. And do a little circle. Ooh. Okay, so we have this smooth little circle. And we're going to take this little tow truck. Smash it down in there. And boop. Okay. And look what it made. We got this cute little yellow tow truck. And it kind of matches rubble. So let's set it down here by rubble. Nice. And now next, let's do Marshall. Whoop, come back, Ryder. Okay. Marshall, you ready? You bet I am. Okay. So I brought some red Play-Doh for Marshall and this cool fire truck because it matches Marshall's fire truck. Isn't that so cool? Okay, so let's go ahead and take out this red Play-Doh for Marshall. Ooh, this one's really soft. There we go. Okay, we're gonna mush it like before in a little ball. Let's smash it on the ground and roll it out with our nifty rolling pin. Our rolling pin has sparkles on it. There we go. Okay, fire truck. Yes. You push this little button really hard. That makes our little imprint. Oh, oh, Marshall, how excited are you? I'm so excited. Ah. Look at this fantastic little fire truck. It's adorable. It matches Marshall's fire truck so good. Okay, Marshall, get in your fire truck. And we're gonna set this right in front of it. Just like that. Look at our cool vehicles. Okay, Ryder, you're next. I brought you green Play-Doh. And I have this one. This is a giant, big, kind of dump truck. I just thought it'd be cool because it's super big. So we're gonna take out some of this Play-Doh. We don't need all of it because that's a big Play-Doh. We're gonna take this green Play-Doh, mush it up. Let's smash it down here and roll it out. Whoop. You stay back there, Chase. Not your turn yet. Okay, let's take our big truck and smash it down in there. And don't forget this little button. Should we push it? Ah! Okay. Oh, it's stuck inside. Let's push it out. Ooh. Ooh, look how good it turned out. Green was a good color for this. Look at Ryder. It looks awesome. Look at our cool vehicles. Those are pretty sweet. Okay, next up is Chase. Whoa, Chase is on the case. Chase is on the case. I got you blue sparkly Play-Doh. And I got you a little car. Because, you know, you have a cop car. This can work. It's a car. Yeah. Okay. So let's open up your blue Play-Doh. There we go. It's so sparkly. Oh, I don't know where that came from. Let's roll it out. Nice and smooth. There we go. And here's your cute little car. Let's make your little car. Okay, and then shall we push the button? Did it do its job? You bet it did. Take off this little extra Play-Doh. And look, it's a little car. We can pretend it's a police car too. Chase, it's your car. Yay, I love it. Now you can get back in your police car. We'll set it right there. Okay, Sky. Oh, you're next. I have pink Play-Doh for you. Don't you love pink Play-Doh? I love pink so much. I know you do. And then check it out. I have a helicopter. I ride a helicopter. Yes, you ride a helicopter. So we're gonna make a helicopter out of this pink Play-Doh. Gotta get all of it out first. Boom. Okay. So let's wrap this all up in a nice little ball. Smash it down there and roll it out. Oh, this one's so soft. I love it. Oh, wow, look, it's already ready. Already ready. So let's take this little helicopter, smash it. Oh, that went in so smooth. Gotta push it really hard, right? Oh, and look. Oh, her little helicopter. Hi, I'm Sky. Wow, look at all those colors we got, and we made so many vehicles. Here, watch this. Whoops, ran that over. Okay, how about this one? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that one got a little smashed. Hey, Ryder. Oh, you got too excited. You just went and did it. Whoa, look at those tire marks. Oops. Chase is on the case. Oh my goodness. Look how big his tires were. Okay, Sky, your turn. Look at your little tire. There we go. Little tire marks. Those were funny, huh? Okay, we'll say bye to all the Paw Patrol and Ryder. Bye.